44 Ford, and it looks like it's got a nice paint job. You see the way it fades out? It's like a flip-flop flames or something. And you don't stand on those running boards, that's for sure. All modern gauges inside. And you got the split window. Without the metal in it, it's like just nice and clean. Looks great, man. And here we have a 350 SS Camaro, 1972, for sale. Lemans, you didn't see too many around. This is a convertible too, just like a goat, man. Just like a goat. And look at the paint. You see like the checkered, not too kind of fades into the checkered. That's something else, man. That was difficult as all hell to do. And I think I'm going to start looking out of here because it's starting to rain a little bit. And I'm surprised these guys got all their cars out here hidden. It was pouring before. I mean, pouring. 55 Belaire. And it's cool that they take them out, man. They'll take them out in this rain. It was pouring before. Total solid pouring. I'd love to know how to paint like this though. Guess 99% of it's prepping though, right? 1939 Sedan Chevy. And here we got a Chevy Fleetmaster 1947. It's like a pretty bone stock car, man. Solid puppies back then, man. You can these were like halfway trucks. You know, I'm not going to touch it or knock on it, but I know sure if you knock on this steel, you'll hear like steel. And the sheet metal is probably twice as thick as anything else they produce today. If it is steel today, it's probably mostly plastic. Look at the side treatment on here with the Screaming Eagle. English Bulldogs roll the road, right? He's got the original sticker on here.
No
1940 Ford. This is 73 Challenger. A lot of really nice cars here. 50 Merc lead sled. This is a badass car, man. Nice and low. Makes a good rumble. This is probably about that's an 80. I thought it was a 78. 80 vet. 80 Corvette. And here we got a 31 Ford Coupe. Nice car, man. Probably got them in a cement vault after they take them out of here, you know. 1935 Ford two-door sedan. Clean as all hell. Now check out the boat combination over here. Plymouth Fury. Fury, of course, always has the biggest tail fins in any car out there. And the convertible, of course. Of course, right? Somehow I like this car, man. Of course, it's got to have the vintage speedboat in it with the tail fins. Merc 450. You're all set to fly with this puppy, huh? Just throw the dynamite over the side, catch the fish, and pull them in real fast and take off, and you're done, right? That's all you got to do.